Hi, it's Joan. Recently, I was lucky enough to be in London and I had a game with the manager of Andrew Robson's Bridge Club. And it was amusing, when you haven't played with someone, you go through parts of the system. And one of the things that came up in our 1 minute discussion before the game was, did we play Michael's Cubids? Yes, of course we would. But there's something called Leaping Michaels. And I said, do we play Leaping Michaels? To this guy called Nick Boss, who's the manager of the club. And he said, oh, sure, okay, right. So um, the two men we were starting against said, we don't know what Leaping Michaels is. And we said, oh, well, don't worry, it'll never come up. It's so rare. However, on the very first hand, our opponent opened a weak two in hearts, and I had this hand. What a hand! Six solid spades without the jack, ace doubleton heart, and beautiful diamonds, and no clubs. Well, suddenly I realised this is a Leaping Michaels. And what Leaping Michaels is that when someone opens a weak two, if you wanted to show a good hand, similarly, the same idea as Michaels, where you've got two suits, the other major and a minor, if you jump in the minor that you've got, it says, I've got spades and that minor, and it's a game force. So suddenly this hand had come up. And I did a Leaping Michaels, which is a 4 diamond bid. It says to partner, I'm at least 5 spades and at least 5 diamonds, and it's a game force. I've got a good hand, and please do what you can. Leaping Michaels in action. Partner bid 4 spades. Now, at this point, because I figured I had a two-loser hand, I've only got one loser in diamonds, but I don't know where the king is, and one loser in hearts, I actually overbid the hand and just jumped to 6. And that wasn't a success. But I've since thought about what I should have done. And 4 spades, which is what most people played in, is not really enough on a hand like this because partner doesn't need very much to make 6. Let's say they had only the king of diamonds, we would make 6. Anyway, the bid to make over this is to actually Q bid the ace of hearts. And what it says, partner, is I have a control in the suit they're likely to lead. So if you've got anything else, please go to 6. So 5 hearts would have been the best bid I could have made. Q bidding their suit. And partner only bid 5 spades. What they're saying is, I haven't got anything. You've asked me to bid, but I can't. So let's leave them in 5 spades. Sure enough, they didn't have the king of diamonds. They didn't have the king of hearts. They didn't have anything we needed. So now we've got to make 11 tricks. Win the ace of hearts. Check how spades are. But we do want to get down to this hand to play diamonds. Okay, spades are drawn. Play a low diamond up. There's the king. Oh, that's interesting. That makes us think that the diamonds are breaking 5, 5, 2, 1. Win the ace. Now what? We could play a low diamond and hope that they don't come up with their jack. They didn't. Sure enough, we've avoided a diamond loser, but we now know that the diamond suit broke 5, 5, 2, 1. Okay, let's play that. Trumpet. Play the queen of diamonds. Throw a heart away. Now the 7 of diamonds that we trumpet, but now we are going to inevitably lose 1 diamond. We can't trump, we haven't got any more left, and 1 heart. Trump and trump. We actually we were able to make 5. That was pretty good. 4 was not enough on the hand. I found out later that nobody bid 6 except me. Nobody bid 5. Everybody else was in 4, and some people didn't even make game. So it's pretty amazing that on a hand like this, you couldn't be in game at least. So the way to test to see if we could go 6 is to Q bid 5. Let's say we had 2 losing hearts and we still wanted to find out by moving one bid over 4 spades. The bid we should make is 5 spades. What 5 spades would ask, partner, is, do you have a control in hearts? Because I know they're going to lead it, and it would tell partner when we bid 5 spades that we've got 2 losers in hearts. So neat bidding. Sometimes you would reach 6. Partner wouldn't need much, but on this hand, we didn't do well because the rest of the field stayed in very safe 4. Have a great week.